Hello guys, welcome to Code Extreme. Today we are going to do our today's POTD 3487 maximum unique subarray sum after deletion. It is an easy question. So let's read this. You are given an integer array nums. You are allowed to delete any number of elements from nums without making it empty. After performing the deletion, select a subarray of nums such that. So this is the conditions. All elements in the subarray should be unique. Okay, the sum of the elements in the subarray is maximized, and at last we will return the maximum sum of such a subarray. Okay, so let's see, like this is a subarray and all elements are unique in this subarray or array, because all elements are unique, so the total sum is 15, which is the sum of all elements of this array. Okay, let's read this example. So because there are two ones here simultaneously, so we will delete one. So num 0 equal to 1, so they delete this element. Also they delete this element also, so that we do not any duplicate element. That's why. So also they deleted this element, because this will neither increase the sum nor decrease the sum, so this is of no use. And nums 3 equal to 1, so they also deleted this, so that this is a subarray, but it has no unique elements, it has two ones. That's why they deleted 1 and at last select the entire array last one, last subarray, to obtain the maximum sum. From this example, uh, 1 1 and 1 is occurring two times, and 2 is occurring only one time. Minus 1 is occurring two time, and minus 2 is occurring only one time. So what they do, delete the elements. What they deleted nums 2 equal to minus 1. Why they deleted this? So that the subarray should contain unique elements only, so they deleted one element, minus 1. And nums 3 equal to minus 2, so they deleted this also, because this will decrease the sum, so because we need maximum sum of such a subarray, so it is a negative element. That's why we deleted this element. And select the subarray 2 and 1 from this to obtain the maximum sum. So what they chose this and this, and they deleted this one. That's why. So how can we do this problem? We can do this greedily. We do not need to make the subarray unique or delete any number of elements. See, originally deletion is not required in this question. What is required? We required only unique elements. So how can we get our unique elements? With the help of which data structure? We can get it by set. So we will use set here to obtain the unique elements. And second thing, that how will we find our max sum? This is and another question, that how will we find our max sum? See, if our array has any positive element, then we will not consider negatives. We will ignore them. But if our array does not contain any positive elements, then we will have to take the negative elements. For example, if our nums is containing only this minus 100, so what is the sum? What is the maximum sum of this subarray? It is minus 100. But if we will ignore the negatives, then how we will obtain this? So if there are no positives in the original array, then only we will see negatives. Otherwise, we will ignore them. Okay. So let's try to code what we have think. So at first we will take the size of our array, nums dot size. Then what we will do, we will make a unordered set of type int of name s. Now we will iterate through our array and we will fill our set. Oh, sorry. S dot insert nums I. So now our set is filled with unique elements. So now we have our unique elements. Now we want our maximum sum. So how can we obtain? We will iterate through our set at first. Also we will take a flag. You will get to know why I have done this. So for auto I in auto I in S. So we will iterate in our set and we will get our maximum sum. If I is greater than 0, then what we will do? We will take the sum of this element. Also we will make the flag true. What is this flag indicating? This flag is indicating if our array is containing any positive element. If we will find any positive element in our set, then flag will be true. Then we do not have to search for any negative element afterwards. But if it does not contain any positive element, then we will see the negatives. Okay, so that's why we need to do this. So till now we have find the sum of the positive elements, but if our set was not containing any positive element, if flag was false, if flag is false, if flag equal to false, means that our array do not contain any positive element, then we will have to check for our negatives. Okay, so for auto I, we will again iterate through our set and we will find the sum of our negative elements. So we have to think about it. We have to find the maximum sum, but among the negatives, should we find should we have to find the sum of all negatives? No, we have to find the maximum of all negatives, because it will give us the maximum sum of this array. For example, if our array has this -5 comma -100 comma -10, so what is the maximum sum we can get? The maximum sum is -5, the maximum element among all negatives, not the sum of these elements. Okay, so I hope you understand. So we will take another variable for this int answer. We will initialize this by int min. We can't use sum here because we have initialized sum with 0, and if we will find our max element in this, like this answer equal to max of answer comma I, if we will do like this with sum, then 0 will be always be the maximum element and it will not return the maximum element. That's why, so we will return our answer here. Now our code is completed. Let's run this. I hope we will pass all the test cases. So what? Okay, we do not return our some variable here. Now let's run this. We will able to pass all the test cases. So see, we passed all the test cases. Let's submit this. The time complexities of this code is order of n, and the space complexity is also order of n. So if you Like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.